It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling.
Hey guys, welcome back. For today's video, we are doing something that I have personally never done before, but I know Mariah Elizabeth does it every single year. At the end of the year, she will take all of the squishies she has made and rank them from worst to best. In my Q&A video, we also had a request for this, and it's kind of funny because it was exactly what I was thinking of doing. You can see the shelf behind me is completely empty, and that is because we are indeed ranking all of my squishies from worst to best. Now, I will say, I have been making squishies since the spring of 2020, which means I have around 1.5 years worth of squishies to rank. When I first started making squishies, I had no idea what I was doing, so that means some of these squishies are going to not look the best, but they are all part of my journey, and I'm going to be ranking all 41 today. Now, let's get started. In last place, we have my homemade squishies, the worst squishy of all. 41, 40, and 39. I don't really like the pink one, so this is number 41. I love the color scheme on these two. However, this one has a tear, I think from touching another squishy. Considering how much I struggled to make homemade squishies in that one homemade squishy video, these turned out okay, and I do really like their color schemes at the very least. Number 38. So this is a donut squishy. There's nothing particularly wrong with this squishy. It's just not my favorite. Number 37 is this squishy. This one was also from my homemade squishy video, and it's actually pretty hard. It's really not squishy at all. The only reason this ranked higher than the other homemade squishies is just because I like the pastel rainbow colors and I love ice cream sandwiches. Number 36 is the cutest little tiny thing of all. It's so small. This is the last random food item. It's probably my favorite random food item because it's so cute. It's so small. This is the real size that they are. I just actually bit that. I feel like I've never seen someone turn a bread squishy into an Italian cookie, and for that reason, I really like it. 35, Riley. She's a mess. I mean, her eye makeup is just all over the place. I was not very skilled at making squishies when I made this one. I could probably do a better job now. Number 34, this unicorn. When I look at it, I don't really have a good feeling about it. I feel like it's kind of messy. It's just not my best work. It's not really all coming together for me, you know? It's just not my favorite. Number 33, Noreen. I like Noreen, I do. I like this color scheme. I love that I did all pastels, but she just kind of fades away because she's so pastel. I don't know, she's not really giving me anything. When I look at her, I'm not like, oh, you're so cute. I'm just like, yeah. That's a narwhal. 32, we have our former unicorn turned party horse. See, she has a party hat on, no longer a unicorn. That's a hat. When I first created this one, I hated it. But as I look at it more and more, it starts to grow on me, you know? I love the concept of a party horse. What if the unicorn's horn wasn't a horn at all, and it was actually just a party hat? This was actually done in a 3-color challenge, so that was kind of difficult. All things considered, I think she did turn out okay. She's not my favorite, but she's certainly no longer my least favorite. And maybe she deserves a name. I don't know. Number 31, this was actually a popcorn, and I turned it into an icy. I feel like this squishy is a little different than my other squishies because it has more of an interesting concept where it's like upset because it's having a brain freeze. It's not the cutest squishy, but it's different, and that makes it stand out to me. It might be a little strange, but I thought of it, and that's why I like this one. Number 30 is Mel. Mel is just adorable. She's a watermelon. Mel was actually also part of the 3-color challenge, but it looks like there's only 2 colors here because in that video, I randomly selected 3 colors and 2 of them were pink and red, which are basically the same thing. Sometimes you just can't really explain why you like something. I just look at it and I go, oh, that's so cute. Now we're starting to get into our squishies that have some couplings. The couples are a little bit higher up in the totem pole for me, just because I like their concepts together. 29 and 28, we have Coco and Bubbles with their donut squishy that they created in Top Chef. I created Coco and Bubbles in my second squishy makeover video. The painting on this is actually not the best, but Coco was actually originally an elephant. That was one of my first major transformations in the squishy world. I have merch for Coco and Bubbles. I really love their concept and design. I think they look so cute together, and I just had to rank them fairly high, even though their painting job wasn't the best. Number 27 is Ollie, the sea otter. I feel like Ollie would be ranked higher, but there's something indescribable that is just off about her face. Like, when I look at her, I go, yeah, you're cute, but you could be so much cuter. She's cute, but she's also just a little ugly, you know? Like, you look at her and you're like, oh, you're cute, but you're also a little ugly. Is it cute because it's ugly? I don't know, but for that reason, I can't rank her any higher. 26, 25, and 24, we have the Baby Bee, Cat, and Frank. This was for a Halloween squishy makeover, and it was actually my first group of squishies that I created that kind of go together as a family. I feel like these are painted pretty well considering my experience level at the time, so that is why they are ranking so high. Coming in at number 23 is Marina. Considering this is the only person squishy I've ever done, I think Marina came out okay, but she could have been so much more. You could have been so much more. I love her color scheme, but her eyelids are just not low enough. She looks like she's scared. Marina could have been ranked a lot higher had her eyes not looked like she is terrified. Coming in at number 22, Elliot. I made Elliot in my first ever squishy makeover video. The only thing I would criticize about Elliot, I feel like I should not have made his eyes black. I don't know why I did that. It looks terrifying, which is honestly a really big deal, so he can't be ranked any higher than number 22. Numbers 21, 20, and 19, Flo's squishies. Flo is kind of an underdog for me. Like, when I made her, I was so unsure about her. I looked at her and I was like, yeah, you're kind of cute, but you're so weird. There's no reason why a narwhal should have flowers all over her, but I just love her. And she also kind of grew on me because in the Top Chef series, you guys seem to like her a lot. You voted her through to the finale, and that made me love her even more. I spent a lot of time making this squishy, which makes me love it a little bit more, I have to say. I really love the way the little bunny came out. I feel like it's so cute. This was actually the bottom half of that bunny, and I made it into a narwhal. It has a lot of pieces that were not originally there, and I did put a lot of effort into this squishy. I also like the concept that these characters are swimming in melted ice cream. 18 and 17. I find Maurice adorable. When I look at him, I'm just always like, oh my gosh, he's so cute. Look at his eyes. Look at his little bow. He has an ice cream cone connected to him. I don't know, I just find him adorable. I really like him. This is my favorite color as well, so that might be playing into why I rank it so highly, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you feel like I ranked Maurice a little too high. Numbers 16 and 15 are Skippy and his little dessert that he made in Top Chef. I personally just love them together. I love how they're complementary in colors, and I also love that they're just like looking at each other like, oh, they're friends, you know? I feel like they look cute together. Aww. Number 14 is the biggest underdog of this video. Barry was made in my 3-color challenge, and I have to say, I am obsessed with Barry. I feel like people don't give Barry enough respect around here. I mean, just look at his face. He's so relaxed. He's like chilling in a pool of melted marshmallows like it's a hot tub. Maybe this is going to be something you guys disagree with. I'm not quite sure, but I feel like your reaction was not as strong as my love for him, but maybe you guys will like him. I don't know. Numbers 13 and 12, Seaford and Seaford's dessert. Seaford's dessert is a fish that ate a chunk out of a stack of donuts. Conceptually, I really like that. I feel like me ranking Seaford so high might be a little controversial. Sure, he's not painted the best. I just have to rank Seaford this high because he is my first squishy that I ever made. He's my first merch that I ever made, and he just holds a special place in my heart, you know? Coming in at numbers 11 and 10, Graham and his seat. My brother scared me. I really like him. He's so cute. I love his little eyes. Dude, not funny. The other thing I really like about Graham is I kind of had to struggle to make him. He was actually at one point 2 different squishies. I also did a page in my Draw Your Journal using Graham. I made the cartoon showing Graham's origin story, and that just made me love him even more. Number 9 and 8, Marge and her dessert. I think it's interesting that Marge actually was made in my first ever squishy makeover, and she's ranking so high. Over time, Marge has just slowly snailed her way into my heart. I actually made the pun page in Draw Your Journal, snailed it. In one of the Top Chef episodes, I had Marge eat the plate.
Wait, did you eat the food or the plate, Marge?
And since I did that, I have just loved Marge. When I look at her, she's just a ridiculous character. She makes me laugh, and I love her design. Number 7, 6, and 5. I think we all know how much I love Val and her design at this point. Honestly, all of the top 10 are basically equal in my eyes, but I had to rank them, so this is where Val fell. There's a lot of things that I love about this, but the design, when you put them all together, the color scheme and like the hearts. I love how they have like a little heart on their head and hearts on their icing. It's just really cute. And the final group of squishies, numbers 4, 3, 2, and 1. Chip, Cherry, and their child. Chip is a cookie dough mouse. Cherry is a berry tart cat. At some point during the Top Chef series, they got married and had a child on their wedding cake. They're all together, they're like a family, and I just like their design. I think it's kind of cute. These two are like so close for me, it's like almost a tie. You guys just absolutely love Chip, and I could not help but rank him at number 1. Okay, well, we have ranked all of the squishies now. Thank you guys so much for watching all the videos this year. We have so many more people in this community now, and I'm so excited to continue posting videos in 2022. I can't wait to make more arts and crafts videos, more Draw Your Journal, create this book, wreck this journal, and of course, more squishy makeovers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next week for another video. Bye!